Hello, my name's Pat. Welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the last video if you watched it, and some of the shorts I've put up and TikToks. But today this video is going to Braden Marshes, which is out obviously near Braden and by Culver Downs and Bembridge on the Isle of Wight. So hopefully be some white-tailed eagles in it and other songbirds like robins, blue tits, great tits usually get along there. And I sort of parked up at the bottom of a place called Culver Downs, and across the road you can go along one called Gander Down, and it brings you out near a sluice gate, little bridge goes over it, takes to a park place called Laundry Lane. So I walk along there and make my way to St Helens. So hopefully you enjoy the video and enjoy the photos. So have a look. I'm off work for the day, so I'm going to go out round Braden Marshes and try and get some shots of an eagle and a few other things. Hopefully they've been getting quite a few sightings out here. So yeah, hope you enjoy and I'll upload some photos. Hi, so in the distance here, we've got a couple of eagles. I only just see him in there, but I'll put some photos up so have a look. Hello, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the footage and the photos. Not the greatest, but I've been trying to see him for the past couple of months now. Haven't really seen him around since September to get some decent shots or footage to put on as a post. So maybe being a bit too eager, probably better off waiting for the summertime. But if you did enjoy them, then leave a comment. Tell us about your opinion of them, and if you're liking the video so far, feel free to give us a like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. And yeah, so I'll carry on with my day there anyway. So I walked out from taking photos with the of the eagles and that to saw a couple of buzzards in the sky, got a few shots of them. And as I walked out to the pathway, I looked into the distance and I thought I'd seen an eagle flying across the reeds. But as I looked a bit closer and started taking photos, it was a marsh harrier, and it was the first time I'd ever seen one, which was quite exciting for myself and fascinating to watch as well because I'd never seen them in flight. Very similar to an eagle, the way their wings go, which was quite amazing. So just watched him go around the top of the reeds. And that it was a juvenile female. After a bit of research, due to its pure white head, but I think it's out there quite a bit. So I'm hoping to go out and get a few better shots of it. But I've got a few okay shots. You can see what it is, and definitely identify the birds. And saw a little robin, so there's a few shots of them. So if you continue watching, then have a look. Hope you enjoy. Hi, welcome back. So I hope you like them photos. So that was the first time, like I said, I'd ever seen one of them. So they weren't great photos. So hopefully I'll get back out there one day and get some actual better quality photos, maybe some actual footage on my camera with it, and then be able to post something up specifically about that one bird. But hopefully I'll get more white-tailed eagle images in the summer as well. There tends to be a few locations where you can go and see them better, get a better view of them, really. And I've come across, as I was walking on the lane, a little robin. I usually go out, I take bits of food with me and leave bird feed out for some of the birds, nuts and stuff for squirrels and stuff around on the post, and had a little robin come up, got pretty close. He wouldn't take out my hand. Looked a bit tempted at first, but after about 20 minutes of trying, I thought I'd just leave him be and get a few shots and make my way back to the van and tried different location on Marshes, which is over on a place called Embankment in St Helens, which is another spot you usually see the white-tailed eagles. So I was hoping they'd flown over and gone and sat in a tree, which they usually get spotted in quite regular on a regular basis. And but come across a little kestrel, so managed to get a few decent shots of that, a couple of buzzards, and a few other little songbirds. So I put them photos up now and hope you like them. So have a look. Welcome back. I hope you like them photos. They were took down, like I said, Embankment in St Helens. So didn't see none of the eagles down there, but I've seen there's kestrel, buzzards, and yeah, a few songbirds. So I was hoping to see some owls down there as well because there's a few abandoned buildings and that, but no joy on them yet. They seem very rare to find on the island. So used to see them quite a lot about 10 years ago, but not so much now. So that'll be one I'd love to get some decent footage of, a few decent shots, definitely. So I'll keep looking around for them and staying out to dusk and getting up at dawn and trying to find them, but no joy. But maybe in the next video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe. That'd be greatly appreciated. And comment, and I'll definitely reply. So I'll see you on the next one. And thank you very much for watching. Cheers.